Guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to do different versions for little Lego Optimus Prime, and I followed these the how to build from Logan Film Studios, and so I'm just going to show you some upgrades that I made. So I made this Orion Pax upgrade, so I used a 1x1 blue stud for the head because he doesn't have the little spiky things like on this Rise of the Beast Optimus Prime. And also I just changed the hands out a bit, and also I took the wheels off and the back wheels. And yeah, now I'm gonna change him into normal Optimus Prime. So just need that part. That, bada bing, bada boom. Wait, where's that part? Oh yeah, I have it on him. Put that there. I need the chest plate. And then I need to get these parts. The back wheel things. And then I need to add the wheels on his legs. There. So this is just normal Optimus Prime. Oh, I forgot to give him the little gun. Yeah, normal Optimus Prime. And then I also gave him a custom chest plate where it's opened up and you can see the matrix of leadership. So yeah, it was just all it is just different chest plate and Orion Pax. And also, if you're wondering how Orion Pax looks in robot mode, which he shouldn't be able to do, well, I'm gonna do it just to show all the people that want to know what it looks like. Oh, frick, the arm. You take the gun out his hand, put the studs on his hands, just for that. Then take all the studs off his legs, and also need to take those off him. Oh, frick. Need to get that back on. Ah, freaking. Oh my god. There. And now let's see what he looks like transformed. So just do this. Put that there. You need to put the legs back. Oh my god, this is gonna be so weird. Okay, there's that part done, and then the arms just go in like that. And yeah, that's what Orion Pax looks like transformed. So yeah, this was just a little thing how to show you how to make him Orion Pax and a different chest plate with the matrix of leadership. And also thanks to Logan Film Studios for showing how to build this Optimus Prime because it's really sick. So yeah, bye.